I want to talk to you today about, is the Home Business Academy legit? I believe it is. I'm a member. I have been an affiliate with Home Business Academy for 2 years. I started out my career, I worked for an engineer for 10 years. I farmed for about 20, 25 years and had another ag business on top of that. Plus, I taught in a juvenile hall facility for 22 years. And when I retired, I was looking for an opportunity to have a business where I could make a little money, meet people, and connect. And I found the Home Business Academy, and I found it has met all of my needs. A little bit about the Home Business Academy. It has 3 products. It has a funnel builder, and it has the Premier, which is a traffic and conversion element academy. And both of those are, the funnel builder is $25 and the premium is $125, both of them per month. And if you're an affiliate and you get other people to use these products, then that will give you an 80% commission on anybody that you sign up. There's another product called the Financial Literacy Academy, which is $500 when you first join, but then it goes to $1,000 if you don't buy it right away. And you get a one-time commission of 80% on any of those that you sell. I joined basically looking for getting to know people, to connect with people, to network with people. And I found that the people here at the Home Business Academy make learning and business fun. They have 11 opportunities every week where you connect with them. 5 of them, Monday through Friday, is a motivational call every morning, and it is an hour or so long. Then there's the Traffic and Conversion Mastermind Zoom meeting, Monday through Friday. That is where they go on and you watch the owners actually work, and you're watching over the shoulder. And you can have your questions answered, and you can bring information to be critiqued. You can have other people in our community that are very successful that comment and add to that too. On top of that, they have a Facebook page and a Telegram page, media emailing group where you can get answers 24/7. So there's a lot of connection with people, and I really get a lot of value from that. In November, they had their second Freedom Fest live function, and it was in Phoenix. And I went and I got to meet people that I saw in Zoom meetings face to face. I got to have conversations with them, learned their stories, learned about them, had fun for 3 or 4 days. And I have a video that I'm attaching to this that was an interview of Paul and Mike, the owners, with Sam Simmons, my friend from Houston, and myself, where we interviewed about our experience there. So this is what I wanted to share with you about the Free Home Business Academy. I believe it is legit. They give a lot of value, and they give a lot of commission for what you get, way more than you pay into it. So I wanted to share that with you, and have a good day. God bless.